In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bolt app on Android. We'll walk through the safest, most reliable way to get the app on your phone using the Google Play Store. I'll keep it simple, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few important safety reminders so you can install with confidence. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's the best place to download trusted apps. The icon usually looks like a colorful play button. Before you begin, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and that you have enough storage space. A stable connection helps the download complete smoothly, and having free space ensures the installation won't get stuck partway through. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top. Type exactly Bolt, request a ride. Using the full app name helps you find the correct listing quickly. In the search results, look for the official app by Bolt Technology. Verifying the developer name is a great way to avoid lookalikes and keep your device secure. Tap the official Bolt app to open its details page. Here you can see the app's icon, description, and reviews. When you're ready, press install. The app is free to install and works on most Android phones. You'll see a progress indicator while it downloads and installs. This may take a moment depending on your connection speed and available storage. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app right away. You're done. The Bolt app will also appear on your home screen so you can find it easily the next time you need a ride. A few important tips before we wrap up. Only download Bolt from the Google Play Store. Avoid random APK sites or third-party downloads as they can put your device and personal information at risk. Make sure you have an active internet connection during the process. Wi-Fi or a strong mobile data signal both work. And keep an eye on storage if your phone is close to full. If you follow these points and use the official listing by Bolt Technology, you'll get the legitimate, up-to-date app every time. That's it. You've learned the best and safest way to download the Bolt app on Android using the Google Play Store. Open it from your home screen whenever you're ready to request a ride, and you're all set.